Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh? Fly. Woo. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on how I install my hair, and this is hair for double leaf hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing my install video, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the company that sent me the wig. It's actually called Doubleleafwig Hair Company, and this is currently a 26-inch full lace wig. I can be able to put this in a ponytail if I decided to wear it that way, but I'm not gonna. I've already plucked the hair and bleached the knots, and I did dye this hair jet black. I actually did it the dip dye method, so if you guys are interested in seeing me do that method, let me know and I'll do it for y'all so y'all can see. But it's super easy. I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just going to be running it through my hair, just laying my hair flat down, and I'm also going to run it through the back so it's not so much in my face. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like right now. Let me just fix it. I don't like how this side not lining up, so let me go ahead and tweezer that up. Not tweezer, but here, let me do it.
Honestly, Shari, your hairline isn't even that low.
It's not that low?
No.
Mind your business.
That's like a Leah J Lo, like.
Alright y'all, so I'm going to be taking my Ghost Bond and I'm going to do 2 layers of Ghost Bond, and I'm going to do it in 3 sections. So I'm going to start with right here, and then I do the sides last. So I'm just going to just pinch up here, this part backwards, and I'm going to pinch up here. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put down my I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. I've already done my second layer. It's dried clear. It's ready to rock. I feel like I can see. And I'm just pressing out the glue into my hairline. Alright, so I feel like I can see. I did put some holes in the wig while I was plucking it, so don't worry y'all, you probably see it now, but once I'm done you won't be able to see it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start to do the sides. So now I've got right here to right here to glue down. That was the first hole I made. It started off small, but my hot comb kept going through it, and now it's big. If it gets bigger, I'll just sew it down. And in the meantime, I might as well just do this side too, so I'm not waiting mad long for sides to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and put this side down with some glue, and then I'm going to stick down this side, and by the time I stick down this side, I think this glue might be dried and ready to get stuck on. How about you?
Kinda, yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this powder.
Straight hair, who this? Good form. Or sometimes I'll just ask. Sometimes I'll
never ask if I know it's fucked up.
Yeah, like sometimes I know that they're gonna say something, so I just don't say it. And
You be saying something for real?
Or yeah, I'll be like, oh, I'll tell them that it's their fault. Like it's
The wig, braid
yeah.
the wig, right? No front, I've done that before.
No, but I don't do that. I'll do that like sometimes. Or yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe everybody who hair I've been doing.
Alright y'all, so I don't have my wax stick, which sucks, but I'm going to be taking the BTZ Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray, and I'm just going to do that at the top of my head, and I'm going to hot comb it out. That's actually like my main key to making my hair lay super flat. Alright guys, so I don't know where my camera cut off, but I was just in the middle of finishing up adjusting my part, and I just take a lighter powder and I just run my little brush through it. So this is what the part looks like, and this is the final look. I really like this hair. It was super soft. I had like minimal shedding with it. It's really nice. So make sure you guys check out Double Leaf Company and check their hair out. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let me know some things you guys want to see done, and also make sure to follow me on IG at Charlene Forever. You know what I'm saying? And once again, for those who didn't know, this hair is a 26-inch and I love it. It's super pretty. It is super full. For a wig, it's like crazy. It's like a good length. Like, I like my wigs to be full, but not like overly full, but just right, which is what this one was. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.